After announcing the Honor Play for the global market, the company's president surprised us all by teasing the successor to the original, Honor Magic. The device didn't get a proper announcement, George Zhao just teased some of the key features. The most noticeable one is the so-called full-view display, no notches, no big ugly chins, just display. And as you may have figured out by yourselves, the device will have slide-out cameras as there's no room for one on the front. And yes, it looks a lot like Oppo's Find X. However, we don't know if the back cameras, assuming they are at least two, will be attached to the slider, or will be placed on the back like most smartphones. But by looking at the size of the slider, it's probably safe to assume that all cameras will go in there. Another interesting thing we've noticed, George Zhao opened the slider with his hand, it didn't pop up like the Find XS automatically. It could be due to the early engineering sample or Honor has something in mind. In addition, the Magic 2 will come with upgraded Magic Charge supporting up to a whopping 40W charging speeds. And last, but not least, the handset will come equipped with the still unannounced high-silicon Kirin 980 chipset boasting great performance gains over its predecessor and enhanced AI capabilities, making it the smartest AI device there is.